assholes.
Safe. Foot down before his was.
You're up, Chad.
Fair ball, Chad. Safe at second, out of first.
Damn, that is a freaking distance to Chad.
It is. Yeah, it is.
Out of play, out of play.
He went down looking too.
Frozen.
It was a 15 pump fix.
You really gonna let Pat freaking strike you out? Got it.
No run. It's kind of tight. But I'll try to stay. Oh!
Run! You're almost there!
Hey!
You're the first!
Good Lord, that's Josh, right?
Oh my God.
Oh man, that's only the first batter. Now you gotta run back to it.
The first!
Yeah, any property damage goes to Josh Smith.
Yeah. Run in, run! Out of second. Up, safe. Got him out of first. Safe at second. He picked it back up before first.
I changed my number too. Get here, Josh! Okay, no,
Out.
I'm not.
Out.
Nobody's gonna make that first.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey! Hey, up! You want to play naked?
Well,
As long as he can up naked. As long as he can up naked.
He might like that. Enjoy it.
Get there.
that's an out. Foul just before the base. Just before the base. Can't see the base, but I can see the orange. Thank goodness they painted it something.
Hey, that's offensive. Our friend's a ginger. He puts up with daily discrimination.
Too high.
From us.
Run.
Trouble.
Run.
Fair ball. Nope, that doesn't count. Safe.
You can throw it at
Out there.
Huh?
Did he have you on the side?
Not really, but
That's still hard to tell.
Hey, is our camera still rolling?
It happens.
We're just here for the fun anyway. Come on, Greg. Oh, run, Greg!
Well, Greg.
You're almost there, buddy.
Oh, because he couldn't have just walked it back in.
Yeah, way to phone it in, Greg. Yeah!
chuck the phone at him.
Okay, you could have made placement at $8.99.
That's a rough team throwing phones, man.
We don't care about nothing.
Get there. Run, Josh, run. Run, Josh.
Out.
I'm the field that leads.
I gotta go.
Out.
Cam and get her back.
I ain't got no text.
Yeah.
Come on already, goddammit.
Ball.
That's a bulk. He gets first. Run!
Oh,
That is a catch.
yes.
The big Viking. Win. Great. Nobody's going him off. I don't think so. I'm telling you right now. Collision you don't want.
I was getting ready to
Shut. Hope this game never ends, guys. May it always be a journey to first base.
Oh, it is.
Toast. What's wrong with you? Yep. Oh! Josh! Safe! Yeah!
Safe.
That was close, though. That was really...
Yeah.
First. Josh made it to third. No tags, no tags.
No what?
Oh. 2 strikes, batter.
What?
2.
Hang on a sec.
Gotta regroup.
Chuck up on the back.
Yeah, you're right. All right. Sorry, man.
That's all right. 2? Counting's not my...
Oh! Running on!
You had the lead
3.
run on third base.
I probably would have gotten out and it would have counted. How'd that
Hey, that
sound?
could have been a winning run.
You got blast out?
Gentlemen, top of 4.
We already know the score.
We got a barn burner. Hit this for. Yep.
That's cracked.
That's one.
So close.
Oh!
There we go. Gobble it
What
up.
a dick.
That is an out.
Coming up in Morency was terrible.
Go, run!
Fair ball. That's an out.
It's an out. You're out. That was fair.
Fair ball.
That was on the ground. That's why I said run.
Fair ball. That thing had so much backspin on it.
You guys yelled at me.
There we go.
Nate caught one.
You want to play in field, Greg? Man, I like that. That Tai Chi shit you're doing. I like it.
Aerobics.
Yeah. Are you jerking something off? What's going on? Oh my God!
Really? This is probably the best game I've ever seen in my life. Like,
Titanic struggle here.
Oh my
I'm
God!
about to strike out the side. If he strikes out the side.
That's a little winner.
Yeah.
Oh! Get out!
You guys better clear your calendar.
Just under.
Nice, Greg. Real nice.
Yeah.
Hey, that's 2.
Run, Ian, run!
Fair ball. That's an out.
No one has scored on this one. This field is... No! Never mind. No one has scored on this one yet. What the... Ball? Oh Lord, please someone give me a good win. Run!
Fair. In live. Out. Out. Run that down. Just under it.
Oh!
Out.
Yeah.
Strike one, buddy.
Busted too.
That's it, right?
That's what you get. You let him use your bat.
Game over. Shake hands, gentlemen. Good game. Thank you for the entertainment.
I'll trust you. Yeah!
God! Why'd you let him use our bat?
That barely squeaked over. I want that bad check.
Hey, now the wind comes.
I thought we were going to have the longest wiffleball game ever.
Yeah, we were going for the record.
Guys, I enjoyed that. Thank you. Good luck to both of you. Thank you.